My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Cracking YouTube, it's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram all in the description below, and it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, cool. So I think this is my first pickup of the month of December, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, I've actually got a shoe. I think I got a shoe in December, but it was a gift, so that don't really count as a pickup for me. I gotta go back and look, but I think this is my first pickup of the month of December, and I already have a video of this up. We'll talk about that in a minute, though. But yeah, I'm gonna not talk fast, but I'm gonna this is not gonna be a super long video for two reasons. One, I'm coming down. I'm getting sick. My throat is killing me right now. My back. So I know that when my back start hurting, that means I'm getting sick. So I was at work today, and I just was not feeling up to it. Just had my lady go give me some tea because I need some tea. So I'm sick.
Or your back is hurting because you're turning old.
Whatever. That's classic on the camera. Telling I'm getting old. Anyway, that's the first reason. The second reason is I actually have to go to my second job. It is 4 o'clock, 3:59 to be exact right now, California time. And I have to be at work by 6:30. It's only an 8-minute drive, but I have to be there an hour early. So anyway, let's get straight to it. Yo, we out here though with these pickups. I miss y'all. I hope y'all miss me too. I've been doing a lot of other things, but I'm back. So let's get straight to it. See that? You said today's the day. Today is the day. What is today's day? It is December the 15th. So
damn.
Today's the day. Yeah, the 15th. This month is going by so fast. But you see that all black box? You see that logo right there? Y'all know what it is. That black mamba. That mamba mentality. Kobe Bryant. I love the box because the box got like a snake feel to it. The scales got that. I think all of them. No, they're not. I got another one down there. And it's not. I think this is the first time he did that. I could be wrong. Well, Nike did that, but has like a. Can you see the scales?
A little bit.
Okay, got the scales right there a little bit. I gotta buy me a new light for my room. I'm actually using the light from outside plus the ring light right there. So gotta give me a new light. My old lamp broke. But anyway, description reads: Kobe VI Protro. Color is. I had to make sure this is the right one. Color is bright crimson, black. Suggested retail price is $190 if I'm not mistaken. Size 9, which I am usually 8.5, but as y'all know, you should always go up half a size because Kobe's are very tight. So half a size, sometimes full size. I have had a Kobe that was a 9.5 and it fit me good. So size 9. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Let's get straight to it, baby. I've been waiting for this. This may be in the top 3 of my shoes of the year. So, all right, typical white paper. And without further ado, woo! Let's get it, baby. Put that right there. We have. I'm gonna actually put this as the logo like that. We got the Kobe VI Protro reverse grinches. Boom! Like I said, we got the Kobe VI Protro reverse grinches, which is part 2 of the Kobe VI grinches. Like I said, that I think they released 2 years ago or last year, I can't really remember. Like I said, I already have a review of this already up on my channel, but it was just a first look of it. It wasn't an actual in-depth review, which this is going to be. That'll be up there sometime. It'll be up there. It's probably up there right now. But go check that out. Like I said, it's like a quick little first look of it, like that. So I'll put this right here. Got some news off of sneakernews.com. 3, 2, 1. It should be up right there, right next to me. You can read along. It reads, Nike's Kobe Reverse Grinch will release for adults and kids on Friday, December 15. Pricing arrive at $190 and $125 respectively. With pairs arriving to the Nike Sneakers app and dozens of retail across the globe on December 14th, the pair was available at selected locations and Nike Sneaker Pass. The window to request a reservation was open for 20 minutes beginning at 11:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's go down. We got some more. This was on December 10th. It says, following a Sneakers exclusive access drop on December 5th, Vanessa Bryant shared some behind-the-scenes information about her late husband's reverse release. According to Bryant, more frequent drops are coming soon. The team at Nike informed her that the sequel to the Green Mamba pair from 2010 increased units made by 3. In closing of her thoughts via Instagram stories, Vanessa Bryant expressed, hopefully we'll get to a place where we can meet more of the demand. The new Kobe Grinches will be available at a dozen of retailers. The pair will land on the Nike Sneakers app on December 15th, with big box retailers like Foot Locker also set to sell man and kid sizes of the Kobe VI Protro. Check out throughout shopping guide, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. You can read this on your own. And that's it. There goes some more official images that y'all can look at. Well, 1 of 10. Let's go through these real quick so y'all can look at that. Boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I definitely want y'all to look at this because I'm not going to take the insoles out of my shoe. It says, want a shoe? Oh, what is that? I don't even. Okay. I want a shoe that molds to my foot. Okay, that's what it says. I should have just clicked it like this so you can see it. That's the box. Boom. And there we go. Alright, I think that's it. Did I go through everything? I feel like I went through already 10 pictures. Okay, alright, there we go. Alright, so if y'all want to look at that, y'all can always just go back and pause it and take it off. So anyway, alright, so as we was talking about, this is the second iteration of the Kobe Grinches. This is the reverse Grinches. The one that came out in 2010. No, I think the original release for this was in 2010, but then they re-released it 2 years ago, something like that. I could be wrong. It might have came out 2006. I just can't remember the initial release for the Grinches. So this is the reverse form of the Grinches. As you can see, this one is red, this one's green. This is the second drop of the Grinches. I do need a second pair of this. I only have one pair of this. One is rock, one is stock. Again, I'm not reselling. Still got the receipt right there. I need 2 pairs of those because this go around for these. I did get me 2 pairs. So, as you can see, I got me 2 pairs. One to rock, one to stock. So, shit like that. And not only did I get 2 pairs of that, I got me a kid size too, a size 7.
For me?
So, yeah, it's for you.
Yay!
So Classic got him a pair, whatever like that. So we going. So I gotta see if you can fit it though, cause Kobe's run small, and I know you in a 7.5. This is a size 7. So So
I'll probably can. It's just it'll be a little too tight.
Yeah, but I'm if anything, I'll just go trade it for a size 7.5. So we're gonna try. But anyway,
oh, man.
We're gonna get to this real quick. Just give y'all a little description. See the scales going on down for the Mamba, for the snake, like that. Got that black, Nike swoosh right there. Got them lime green laces right there. Kobe signature on the back and Kobe logo on the tongue and on the bottom of the shoe, like that. All red shoe, crimson red. I mean, I think this is a dope shoe. No extra laces though. I wish they would have came with some extra laces, like the first ones did. No extra laces. Kind of wish they would have came with some extra laces. But I mean, maybe some black ones, even though I wouldn't wear the black ones. I think the green ones is the best one to have for this. Kind of like, again, I'm gonna repeat again. I wish they would have came with some extra laces, but it is what it is. So carbon fiber right there. Oh well, is it carbon fiber? So kind of soft carbon fiber. I guess it is carbon fiber right there. The black. So all in all, good. Another reason why I'm rushing it, because I gotta do my prize picks real quick, so before it's too late to put them in. Anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below if this was a copper drop for y'all. Was y'all able to hit on sneaker apps? They actually dropped like 3 different ways. It was a shock drop, exclusive access, and I think it was another way. I forgot what it was, and then the initial drop, whatever like that. So today they did drop today, so I was able to hit on 2 pairs, and I got my kids pair. So a total 3 pairs. I felt like I was winning today. So I'm done for January. I know, actually, I said January. I was about to say I'm done for December, but the Midnight Navy 3s drop tomorrow. So I will be posting a video of that because I want those Midnight Navy 3s. But anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks, the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.